ahead.
Alright, so now we got the 644 carburetor on here. And I use my throttle arm because it's actually shorter than the other one, so it doesn't hit the choke. And we're going to see if it pulls the gas into this line right here without priming it first. Doesn't look like it's moving. Let's try to half trim. I don't know why it's not moving, but let me try to pump it in and see what happens. Pretty sure I installed everything correctly. Yeah, so. Alright, now we're pumping it in. It's flooded. We haven't touched the needles, they're still the same as they were set before. And I'm gonna try it like, oh actually we can put the choke on with this thing, so we're gonna leave it mid-stick. The choke is on now. Okay, it's fired. Take the choke off. No, let's put the choke back on. Choke is back on. Okay. Choke is off. Sounds too fast. Choke off. Looks like it ran out of gas again. Okay, choke is back on. Okay, choke is back off. It burns the gas off and dies. Not sure why. No, you know, it wasn't pumping. Maybe that's the reason. I don't know. Okay, choke back on. Okay, ran until it died. Choke off. Basically burned the gas off and died again.
Close.
Yeah. Choke on. That thing is running with the choke on. Let's take the choke off.